भारत माता की, भारत माता की, वंदे वंदे वंदे. Good morning and namaskar. Today, as we celebrate the 79th Independence Day here at Amarbani family, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day, including principal, the faculty members, supporting non-teaching staffs, parents present over here, and my dear beloved children. A very happy Independence Day 2025. Today, our heart beat in pride and joy as tricolor flutter in the sky with the wind. But I don't think it is so. It is the power of that countless soldiers who have given their last breath to this country to make this tricolor fly in the air. So today we celebrate this day by the supreme sacrifices of that soldier, of those freedom fighters, from farmers to scientists to doctors to every entrepreneurs who had a vision for this country and who had given their contribution to make this country as a glorious and prosperous one. So we all give tribute to our forefathers who have made this day to happen. India has always stood as a beacon, as a lighthouse to the world through its glorious culture and tradition. I quote Einstein where he said, no scientific discoveries could have been possible without the invention of zero by Aryabhatta, who is an Indian. I also quote German sociologist Max Muller where he said, if I were asked under which sky human mind has been fully developed, so of some of its choicest gift, I should point out to India. Such legacy we all are born into. We are inheritance of those Indian legacy because we are Indian. A civilization that has given zero, that has given Ayurveda, yoga, peace, and the spirit of Vasundhara Kutumbakam, that we all are one family to the world. The world is one family. With adding more colors to this line, our Rabindranath Tagore has dreamed of India. In Gitanjali, where the mind is free and without fear, and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, into that heaven of freedom, my father led my country awake. जहाँ मन भय मुक्त हो और मस्तक ऊंचा हो, जहाँ ज्ञान मुक्त हो और उत्सर्गीय स्वतंत्रता में, हे परमेश्वर मेरे देशवासी को जागरूक करना. If we dream of incredible India, three crucial societal members are to play the vital role: mother, father, and teacher. It reminds us the inheritance of value system we can pass on to generation, to our younger generation, for a prosperous India. A school is not mere a boundary with some classroom, but it is the manufacturers of brilliant minds. It educates the young minds, it molds the character of the nation. We new installation to curiosity, and it builds the new leaders and which adds into the nation building. As teacher, we need to be responsive, we need to be understanding and nurture the impact the young minds for their vision so that they can achieve any goal in future. They are not just the teacher who are teaching us the alphabets of book, but they are the teacher who are teaching us the alphabets of life. So, dear student, you must respect your parents and the teacher. One question coming to my mind to the student: have you seen God? Anyone? Have you seen God? Anyone can answer, have you seen God? If you have not seen, God cannot be everywhere. So He has created your parents and teachers as who are standing beside you today. So they are your God, they are living God. So respect them and follow them. They are the best one to advise
Very
you
nice.
further in your life.
Thank you.
My dear student, as youth of this nation, you are not only the future generation, but you are the present. You have the dual role. You will become a citizen of India. A citizen has two major responsibility. One is right and one is responsibility. The right, you have the right to get good education. You have the right to get good feeding. You have the right to dream big and bigger. You have the right to express to your dreams. But you have also the responsibility. The responsibility is not just study to get good marks in examination, but you have to study to gain knowledge and wisdom. You have to inculcate the good character into it by the advice of your teachers and parents. Education is the light that guides you, but character is the anchor that will hold you forever. It also includes to build a strong character rooted in integrity, empathy, and resilience. What does integrity mean? Integrity means the work you do when no one is watching you. It is the thing which you will be true to yourself. Then only you can get whatever you wish for. I urge you to dream big, so big that people will start laughing at you. I urge you to dream big, so big that people will start laughing at you. Your dreams should be big and bigger, but try to achieve that goals, try to reach at heights with full integrated and dedication, and never nothing is impossible in this world. So you will get whatever you will dreamed of. Dare to becoming an entrepreneur, a civil servant, scientist, an artist, business icon, or political leader, never mind. But while chasing this dream, never forget to become a good human being. Be kind, be empathetic, be a person of good attitude, so that it will be added with your beauty in your character. I have not achieved something big in my life, but whatever I am today, it was because of God's grace, my parents' sacrifices, and my teachers' guidance, and my own hard work. Remember, hard work had no substitution. I was working a corporate day and night, 9 to 10 hours. I was in a hectic work schedule. Then I dreamed of becoming a civil servant. I used to work for 8 to 9 hours in the corporate. Then I used to go to my hostel, and I was preparing for civil services throughout the night. Even someday I was not able to sleep throughout the night. In the morning I have to again join for corporate services. In that position, after working 10 years of in corporate, I qualified civil services with flying colors. And that was never a luck. It was all a hard work. It was a result of the sincerity and integrity I built into it. Why I shared this my story? Because what you are dreamed of will never come by luck. It will only come by your hard work, discipline, and integrity. As the motto of Amarbani School, as I learned from the logo, is darkness to light. In Sanskrit, we have a sloka, Asatoma Sadgomaya, Tamashoma Yaturgamaya. That means, oh God, lead me from the path of darkness to the light, from the morality to the immorality, and give me the wings to fly. And I'm very happy today to witness that Amarbani family has joined together in celebrating Independence Day with such fun and fair, and involving all the parents and students community over here. So I congratulate Amarbani for that. India is an incredible journey of excellence. We stand as the fastest growing economy on the verge of third largest economy. This very school, Amarbani, with the able leadership of Sister Sharmila, is marching ahead towards the journey of excellence. Let us, we all pledge today to honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighter and be a responsible and purposeful citizen of this country. Let us contribute effectively towards greater nation building by doing our bit of responsibility. Let us raise a flag, Tiranga, higher and higher, and finally, विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा. जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम.
Thank you, Ma, for your gracious words.